on the way to Santa Monica. You know, it's happening. California is pretty. There's a lot of graffiti. It's really interesting. It reminds me of Austin, Texas, and it also reminds me of Pune, India. It reminds me of Pune so much because of all the graffiti that you see on the walls of the highways when you drive from the airport into downtown Pune. And I'm just like, yo, everything is the same. Everything is the same, but different.
You're smoking fucking lead outside. Cigarette is much healthier. There's literal lead in these. Okay, get on Twitch.
You guys, okay, let's flip arms. You guys, I just got charged $4. Oh gosh. I just got charged $4 for this lighter. LA, where a lighter is $4. That is absolutely insane. Crazy. Okay, it's sunny, finally. Say hi.
Oh my god, you're so fun. I don't even know if I can really breathe. Can you follow my comedian Instagram? Your hands are full. Can you follow? Because I can tell by your camera you're not broke. Oh my god, your body is amazing. You should get a black boyfriend. I gotta, you know what a BBC is?
BBC is fucking. Do you know what a BBC is?
Did y'all just yeah, check my OnlyFans. Okay, I'll report back from the beach. I took my shoes off and we are now walking down to the beach. And it's gonna be fun. I'm really excited. I haven't come to LA and gone to the beaches since like 2023. So it's literally been so long. Excited. Let's go out to the ocean. Period. Slay.
I never knew that.
I did versus the videos hilarious.
Yeah.
Today? Right now?